Hi there, I'm Gary Wise, and today you're going to see how to free up billable hours by speeding up the access to your ATO portal data with ATOInsights. For those of you that aren't familiar with our brand, GovReports developed the first ATO-approved cloud SVR solution back in 2010 already. Our apps have always been cloud only, so there is no Windows-based server technology, and that means better value and way less IT maintenance. Our team is dedicated to developing full-featured, easy-to-use, and reliable software, and always ensuring that you get responsible telephone support. With more than 10 years of cloud experience, GovReports now has over 4,000 VAS and tax agent subscribers using our suite of integrated compliance, practice management, and e-signature apps. Larger firms, though, wanting to avoid functionality compromises, can now combine our enterprise tax version with leading practice management and client accounting applications, and that gives you a best-of-breed complete solution. It's unlikely, though, that you would know that Australia's largest accounting firms recommend GovReports for use in corporates. So we've got users like Philips, Spotlight, Domino's, DHL, and others that pre-fill activity statements, reconcile, and then lodge or even bulk lodge returns for multiple branches using GovReports. We also offer software developers programming interfaces or APIs, and that empowers their cloud app users to bypass logging into the ATO portal so that they can directly lodge reports and access ATO data. The API is also used to connect online tax forms. So if you've got a website where you've got a data capture form, you can connect that directly to GovReports to streamline the preparation and then lodgement. But let's turn now to our latest app. So feedback about tax compliance workflow blockages from users of other systems prompted us to carve out some of core GovReports capability. And that's what ATOInsights is. It's been designed to slash the waste of time logging into the tax agent portal multiple times per day and then waiting for reports to download. The system connects directly to your practice's ATO account, and in that way it bypasses your current tax software to give you key client information in one easy-to-read dashboard, and you won't need to run reports to surface lodgement information direct to client communications and client account transactions. It does that all for you in real time. On your screens right now is ATOInsights. I'm running this in Edge. You can run it on any particular browser. What you're seeing on the top left-hand side over there is a summary then in graphical form of your current lodgement percentage. So tracking towards your 85%, you're able to see that this particular business or practice is at 87%, last year at 89%, and the year before that. The table to the right gives you a little bit more information. So we've done 4,300 lodged on time, 575 were late. There's still 588 to be done and 67 outstanding. To the right of that, we can also get a little bit of a comparative view across prior periods, looking at late lodgements, not yet due, etc. The table beneath here, the widget, that then shows a breakdown of further information. Now, please just appreciate that this isn't, an actual usable practice software system as such. This is dummy data, so you would normally have, the correlation between total overdue over there and there. So also, if you were using GovReports, you'd see ready for lodgement and total in draft. But remember, we're bypassing your current software right now. So we can see there 21 over there that are overdue. To get further details, then I'll just click the little shortcut, and that will then take me to the live information that we have. This data can also be sorted, so I can look at any particular type of report. I can narrow it down to specific clients and the lodgement due dates. Red ones indicating that they're overdue already. All right, so there's that list, and you can then export that to CSV if you like, into a spreadsheet. Going back then to my dashboard, the widget to the right of the outstanding reports is ATO client communications. Now, feedback from clients again and users of other systems suggests, that this is an invaluable piece of information where you're able to surface all the communication sent directly by the ATO to your clients. So you're able to view any of these. So straight off the dashboard. So those would be the current ones when it was pulled today. Obviously, dummy data again is a bit of a handicap. Again, clicking the shortcut over there, that link will then surface all the communications across your client base, and I'm able to view, download, and email those. If I click show more, that enables you to filter further, so you can see, those that were directed via MyGov or paper directly, even text messages, all of those different channels. I can view more on a single page over here. So there you can see the MyGov ones that went directly, income discrepancy, finalization letters. I can download these and email them. So notice of assessment, for example, I'd be able to view that once they are no longer pending and email that directly to a client then as an attachment, and you'd be able to edit that standard wording. All right, let me go back to the dashboard. So the final widget over there on the right-hand side. For those of you that are deducting fees from refunds or maintaining a trust bank account, your EFT reconciliation statement is surfaced again without you having to go to the ATO portal to get that information. I'm able to download my list into a CSV file, and that way you're able to get a complete list of all the transactions that have hit your date from whichever particular client's record. So jumping back here, on the right-hand side as well, I'm able to go and see a view of clients. So just again, emphasizing that we've got that ability to get all the client information directly from the ATO. And once you've surfaced that client's information, selecting any one of them will allow you to view that information, by client. So I could go see the ATO transactions. So all the relevant account balances can be surfaced over here. The integrated client account, all of that information becomes visible straight away for you, and as well as the outstanding balances. So clicking activity statement summary allows you to select any particular client and a particular year, and that will then generate a list of all the items and the values for activity statements lodged either by you or by your client. And again, you can download those to CSV to facilitate then that reconciliation process. Summarizing then what you've seen, ATOInsights makes it really easy for you to keep your finger on the pulse of your lodgement program and reduce the number of times you access the ATO portal. Connecting directly to the ATO portal means that there's no data migration and almost no training necessary, and you can start saving time immediately. So you can literally be up and running within minutes. And incredibly, the subscription fees are less than $50 per month. So there's no need to continue wasting time downloading client data. Jump on our website and subscribe for a free trial, or reach out to schedule a personal demo.